Ah.
It's gonna be so cringy. Sorry, that's my mom. So this is my first YouTube video, and I'm gonna be making a slime video to show how to make slime the easy way. But there's many other easy ways, but anyways. All you need is you need Elmer's glue, or any kind of other glue would work except for like that very sticky glue. Cornstarch, acrylic paint, or any kind of other color. I took the 3D puffy paint, but I don't know if that does anything. Glitter and borax with water. Let me just put this away. Okay. Got my little bowl right here. You're gonna need a bowl and a kind of utensil to stir with. So for the glue, just add as much as you want. It doesn't really matter how much. Okay. Just, and then take your paint or any kind of color that you have and, go away, and pour it into the glue or into the container or whatever. Acrylic paint. I pour 2 of the different colors because I have one color slime and it does that. So, and stir it, like so you mix the colors. Then you will take your cornstarch and pour some in there. Not that much, it's only like a little bit. So yeah. And then take your borax with water and pour as much as you want in there. Not too much though, because it's going to be watery. And then mix it. You will start to get that kind of texture that it's starting to get sticky and stuff. Don't knead it because you don't really need to. So basically all you want to do is just keep adding cornstarch.
You just done that?
A little.
Yeah.
And of course more cornstarch. Oh god, that's too much. And then add some more borax with water. And then just mix that.
Hey, Dr. Pepper don't taste bad when you're thirsty.
I know, that's why I drink it. And then you'll start to get it stuck on your utensil that you use. It will be sticky once you touch it, but all you have to do is basically just keep mixing it. After you mix it just a little bit more, you should be done. Yep. And then you're done. If you want, you can add shaving cream too. I didn't have any, so I didn't add it. And then for the very last part, put that right there, take your glitter or any kind of other decoration that you want to put in there. Put that on. Hey Mom, can you do me a favor? Can you hold this like this? Right there. Okay, hold it. And then just basically like mix it. And then you have your slime. So thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel because my mom is cringing over here because of how bad I'm doing. This is my first time, so don't judge, mother. And leave a like. Thank you.